Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this very short tutorial video, I would like to show you how you can turn off sensitive content on X, formerly known as Twitter. For example, guys, if you use X for marketing purposes, for instance, to run ad campaigns or to promote your own brand, and you've grown tired of sensitive content on X. So let me show you really quickly how you can turn this feature off. With that in mind, drop a like, and now let us get started. So what you want to do first, obviously, is log into your X account. You can access X either via the web browser or through their application on your mobile device. It works all the same way, guys. All you need to do is head over to your account settings. You can access them, for example, here via the web browser by clicking on More here to the left and by selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. And inside your settings, head over to privacy and safety. And next here to the right, choose the category or section content you see. And just make sure that this option here at the top, display media that may contain sensitive content, stays turned off or is not enabled. So simply leave that checkbox here to the right unselected to stay safe and to keep that sensitive content far away from your X account. And that's all to it. Super simple, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll see you later.